Guys, today we are learning about a new concept. Okay, before learning about this new concept, let us understand a simple story of a jungle. Okay, a simple story of a jungle. Inside this jungle, there are three monkeys. Actually, there are three monkeys. Okay, so these three monkeys are very special in this jungle. So in this jungle there are three monkeys. What are those monkeys? So the first monkey name is monkey name is Kokobu. Okay, the second monkey name is Bochuko. The third monkey name is Rokeya. Okay, there are three monkeys: Kokobu, Bochuko, Rokeya. There are three monkeys in the jungle. Okay, this Rokeya, what it will do? It will always collects the fruits. It always collects the fruits. Okay, it always collects the fruits. Okay, this Bochuko is actually went through coaching, it went to hotel management. Okay, hotel management, they know very well how to garnish the food items, right? So this Bochuko, it will always cut the fruits into shapes. It will cut the fruits in shapes. Okay, in shapes. Okay, and this Kokobu is nothing but is the elder among all the monkeys in the jungle. It will collect the fruits and eat them. Okay, this is the simple story of a jungle which consists of three monkeys: Kokobu, Bochuko, Rokeya. So the first monkey collects the fruits. Second monkey cuts the fruits in shapes. The third monkey which collects the fruits and eat them. So now I have explained this topic in order to understand the layers of the project. So in our layers of the project, yesterday we discussed about layers. There are three layers. Now I have introduced one more new layer. Okay, to understand that concept, I have introduced this story. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about DTO, DAO and controller. Okay, so now here, so in order to collect the fruits, this Rokeya is using one bamboo bag. Okay, it is using one bamboo made bag. Okay, this bag is nothing but it is collecting all the fruits in the bag. This is nothing but DTO. It collects the fruits using DTO. Okay, this is nothing but Rokeya is nothing but controller. This Rokeya is nothing but controller. Okay, the Bochuko is nothing but a new layer which is introduced in this concept, and this Kokobo is nothing but DAO layer. It is nothing but DAO layer. Okay, so this is the controller monkey, and this bag is nothing but DTO. This Bochuko is nothing but service layer. Okay, this Bochuko is nothing but service layer. This Kokobo is nothing but DAO. Okay, clear everyone? Now how this concept will be interlinked with these layers, we will see one by one. Once again I will be revising. This bag is nothing but DTO, which is used to collect the data. We are collecting fruits here. This Rokeya is nothing but controller who is collecting the fruits. Okay, inside the controller you collect the fruits using DTO, and at the same time this controller will transfer these fruits which are collected inside DTO to the Bochuko in order to cut the fruits in shapes. Okay, using DTO, it is transferring to the service layer. This service layer transfer the same fruits to the DTO layer. This DTO, it will store the data inside the database application. Now at the programming level, we'll see the examples. Okay, it's very simple. So what we will be doing, we'll be generating the simple DTO class, DTO like this, okay, along with private members, okay, along with getters and setters. Then after, we'll be creating a DAO layer which consists of database related information. Okay, so inside this we'll be having save method where we pass DTO as the argument. Okay, and next we'll be having one more layer, that is nothing but service layer, which we introduced. So here inside the service layer we will be having DAO object, okay. Here also we'll be having save method, we'll be passing DTO as the argument. So see, here we are sending it to the DAO layer, save of DTO. Okay, so here it is received to this layer from service to DAO layer, but actually this service layer is receiving the data from controller. So the last layer is nothing but controller layer. So from the controller, inside the main method, we will be passing DTO object, new of service constructor, s.save of DTO. So we are sending it to the service layer. So inside the service layer some extra data will be added. Some extra data is added inside the service layer. And from there the data is received to the DAO layer where it is added inside the database directly. So same as this concept that I have explained in the story of the jungle. So here data is collected inside the DTO, which is nothing but bag. The monkey which is collecting the fruits is nothing but controller, and it is transferring the same fruits to the service layer. This service layer, what it is doing, this monkey, it is cutting the fruits into shapes, some adding some extra service to that data and forwarding to the DAO layer to this monkey, which collects the fruits and eat them, and means it is storing inside the database.